All right, we've got a running toilet here. Take a listen. Something's up. It's just constantly running, which requires it to refill automatically. So before you call that plumber, let's take a look and see what we can do to help you out. If you poke around a little bit, you might discover that if you press your finger here, press it down, hear that? It actually stops the noise, right? So there's an issue with the flapper, the seal down there. Now we're not going to be permanently fixing this, just temporarily. If it indeed is indeed the flapper going out, the rubber seal down there that needs to be replaced. But in the meantime, we're going to, look at that. When the handle is held up, it puts pressure on that flap and stops the noise. So what we're going to do to fix this, we're going to unscrew the plastic hex nut that tightens the handle to the back of the toilet bowl. Unscrew it, and we're going to be using our thumb here. I only have one hand, so bear with me. Using our thumb, we're going to be pressing or kind of pushing the handle all the way in the up position, and that's going to cause that long piece of plastic to push down on the seal. And then we're going to tighten it up. You'll get a better look here. I'm going to use two hands, put the camera in a better position. So we're going to, with one hand, hold the handle all the way up in the up position. With the other hand, we will tighten that plastic hex nut firmly, firmly. Don't over tighten it. You don't want anything to crack, of course, because we want to secure that handle in its uppermost position, if that makes sense. And that puts downward pressure on the seal. So let's go ahead and flush it and see if that helps resolve the problem. Let the toilet bowl fill back up. And you can hear no more drip. Problem solved. We might have to readdress this later if it is indeed a bad seal, but I'll keep an eye on it, put another video out if that's the case. But that might be a quick solution for you to help you out. Thanks so much.